All right, guys. So we know that a comparative lab is that we're going to look at and analyze two different things and then try to find out the relationship between those two things. So for this virtual resource that we're going to use for this one, we're going to use PhET. So you'll have to tell your students how to get to this. So if you type in PhET in your Google box, we specifically want to look at sims for simulations. Okay. So as this comes up, we want to narrow the search down simply so that we can get to the activity that we want to do as quick as possible. So since this activity we're dealing with potential and kinetic energy, we'll just click here where it says work, energy, and power. And you'll notice that there'll be a couple of different things that come up, but we specifically want to use the energy skate park, the basic one. Okay, so we'll click that and we'll just hit the play button here. And remember, we are comparing the relationship between kinetic and potential energy. So, in this particular simulation, remember also that we want our students to be able to do this. So, we'll tell them that we want to use the intro. We want to put in the selection that we want to use the bar graph. Okay. And really, what they're going to do, I don't think they're going to do, they're going to put the skater on the ramp. Okay, and as you release it, you'll see, notice that the bar will show you all of your potential and kinetic energy here and that energy transformation. Now, to make this a bit, I guess, to up the rigor for this, we can look at the other tracks, the other ramps that they have, and we can have the students compare the energy transformation between the three. Because if you notice in this one, you start out with potential and it goes to kinetic and it is never transferred back to potential. Whereas in, let's say, this one, you start the track, you have the potential that changes to kinetic, and there's a constant back and forth in the energy transformation between potential and kinetic energy. Okay, so as an assignment, you can have them write about these three particular ramps. Notice what's the same, notice what's different. And then from there, I think this would be a good resource for you to use for as a comparative experiment for our students.